Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to authorize on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in with your TikTok account, you see an error which is unable to authorize. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be your app issue or it might be your network issue. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to go back here and just scroll the new control center, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi, cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And go back from here, open your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected on your VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, go back from here, go to software update. I also recommend you have to try to make a software update because sometimes it might be that you haven't pending software update. So pending software update might tell these type errors. Then open your app store here, and you have to simply search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, your TikTok will be fixed if there will be any app issue. Or you can also try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Or you can try to reset your network settings. Go for settings app here. And here you can directly search for recent network settings. Here's how to search reset network settings, and you'll get the settings here. Or you can go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select recent network settings, enter iPhone passcode, and then select recent network settings. The confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone setting. It will be fixed in the step and then not get the issue again. But if your issue is still not fixed, you have to simply go to settings app again, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, look for TikTok app, and from here you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So after offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and then not get the issue again. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.